Hello, this is the Igbo. So this is a quick one for my non-Igbo friends, those ones that desire to learn Igbo language. The beginner, just the basic one for you. Now, if you find yourself or you see yourself in any Igbo speaking state and you want to interact, you don't know Igbo, how to speak Igbo. Now, these words are the words you must know. You must know and you must know how to use it. Words like hello, we can say no, kedu, ndewo. Then you must know how to say biko, please. You know how to say nyere m aka, help me, nyere m aka. You must know how to say thank you, daalụ, thank you, daalụ. You must know how to say eba, here, ka m kwụsị ebe, let me stop here. You must know how to say ego ole. You ask ego ole, how much? Maybe you want to buy something. Ego ole.